Hello, I would like to demonstrate the Tune SQL module in DB Ace Enterprise for MySQL. First of all, we have to open the Tune SQL repository here. You can select an existing repository or create a new one. We got an old repository here. We are going to input a SQL statement. If you got a problematic SQL statement, you can paste it in SQL editor, and then you can press the Tune button here. The Tune SQL function will help you to optimize the SQL statement automatically. Before we press this button, there is an option to show you the SQL tuning level. The intelligent level default is level 2, which means that it is using the elementary capability to tune your SQL statement. You can increase the intelligence level to higher. It means that we will use more quota to investigate your SQL statement. It will try more ways to rewrite your SQL statement and use more optimizer hints to generate query plans. Now let's use the default level. I press Tune button here. And here is the timing method. We will use the default one for benchmarking. The original SQL statement will be executed 2 times, and the all other SQL alternatives will be executed once. It means that original SQL data cache time is not counted during the benchmarking. Let's start the SQL tuning process right here. Now, our engine will try to rewrite your SQL statement in different ways and apply optimizer hints trigger new query plans. Here are the rewrite SQL statements. Say the original SQL statement syntax and the other syntax rewrites generated by our AI engine are showing here. Here is the rewrite SQL statement 1 and the hints injection SQL here. And here is the rewrite 2. It is the hints injection result. Okay, the benchmarking process is started. The original SQL statement. It takes 2.6 seconds to finish, and here is the rewrite 2 with hints 4. The performance is much better now. It is 0.82 seconds, which means that we have saved up to 68% already. Let's take a look on this SQL statement here. The original SQL statement have been rewritten with an union operation, with the extra optimizer hints injected here. Let's do a comparison with these 2 SQL statements. Okay, now we can see that the original SQL statement has been rewritten into an union all statement with a new optimizer hints in the query. Okay, let's take a look on the execution plan. We can see that the original SQL statement with a full table scan and nested loop to employee table. Let's look at the execution plan here. And rewritten SQL statement has a better execution plan for this specific data set. What we call SQL tuning is a special technique. SQL tuning is not someone tells you data specific. SQL syntax is always best in all kind of environments that you will encounter. Our product is telling you which SQL syntax and execution plan is the best for your environment with specific data distribution. All right. You can replace the SQL statement with your original SQL statement. Your application will be improved by up to 68%. That is it for the demonstration. Thank you for watching.